Dear friends and students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important chapter notes and question answers that is sustainable management of natural resources. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳ ಸುಸ್ಥಿರ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಈ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಂಕಗಳು 2ರಿಂದ 4 ಅಂಕಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥಗಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sustainable management of natural resources. Building crescent shaped earthen banked in the levels terrain is better than the construction of the large dams across the river to store water. Analyze this statement with their effects. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದ ಡ್ಯಾಮನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತೊಂದರೆಗಳೇನು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತೊಂದರೆಗಳು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ನದಿ ತೀರದ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮನಿ. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎನಾರ್ಮಸ್ಲಿ ಟು ಡಿಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯೋಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅರಣ್ಯೀಕರಣ, ಅರಣ್ಯ ನಾಶ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಬಯೋಲಜಿ ಪರಿಸರ ಸಮತೋಲನ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಥನ್ embankment in level terrain. They recharge the groundwater beneath. Water does not evaporate but spread out, recharge well and provide moisture for vegetation. It does not provide breeding ground for mosquitoes like stagnant water collected in the ponds or lakes. To list the advantages of reduce, reuse, save environment. Second question is the list advantages of reduce and reuse, save environment. Reduce, by practice of reduce we can save electricity, water, food, natural resources. Reuse, by practice of reuse environmental pollution can be controlled, materials are available for immediate use, energy can be saved, use of raw materials can be minimized. Next question, what are the effects of deforestation? What are the effects of deforestation? Effects of deforestation: extension of plants, animals and microbial species, threatening of indigenous peoples whose culture and physical survival depends upon the forests. Regional and global climate changes as the rainfall decreases, drought is common in the deforested areas. Fourth one, global warming was realizing stored carbon into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, which is greenhouse gases. Increase in soil erosion and decrease in soil fertility. Increase in floods. Next question, what is meant by water table? What it is importance? Water table, the level of water under the ground is called water table. Advantages of underground waters are Instead of evaporation, the stored underground water recharges the wells off by spreading out. It also provides moisture for vegetations over a wide area. It remains protected from the contamination from animals and human waste. It does not provide breeding grounds for mosquitoes. What are the benefits of water harvesting? What are the benefits of water harvesting? What are the benefits of water harvesting? Benefits of water harvesting are it provides good quality water for homes, self sufficiency for supply of water, control over water sources. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಎರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವಾಟರ್ conserve groundwater and contribute to ecological use. Next question: who are the stakeholders of forests? Who are the stakeholders of forests? Stakeholders of forests are local peoples who are living in or ground around the forests. The Department of Forest of the government, the industrialists, the wildlife and natural ethicists. Enthusiasts. Seventh one, how are the water resources managed and consumed? Right answer is what is the management and conserved in the following ways. Install rainwater harvesting system in the houses for future use. Leakage of water in the toilets and pipes should be repaired when it comes in our notice. To reduce evaporations and improve irrigation efficiency, drip irrigations and sprinkling may be practiced. Reduce domestic water wastages and try to recycle the wastewater at the home. Next question. Write any three steps that you take for sustainable development of environment. To develop sustainable natural environment, we would do following practices. Save electricity by switching off the lights, fan, television, and other electrical appliances when not used and needed or needed. Use energy efficiency electrical appliances. This is done by using compact fluorescent lamps and fluorescent tubes light instead of traditional filament type electric bulbs. Use public transport for school instead of parents' car. Ninth one, what are the problems faced by construction of large dams? Disadvantages of construction of large dams are first one, only privileged section of peoples get maximum water due to the mismanagement of water of the canals. Second one, construction of dams involved deforestation of large trees resulting in imbalance in the ecosystem. It also threatens the wildlife of the areas. People close to source canal grow water intensive crops like rice and sugarcane, whereas people further downstream do not get any water. Next question. Find out about the traditional system of water harvesting or management in your region. The traditional system of water conservation differ from the region to region. For example, Cardin tanks and Nandis in Rajasthan, Bandara Saintals in the Maharashtra, Ahar and Pines in Bihar, Katas in Karnataka. List three things which increase pressure on our natural resources. First one, more paper is used than required for printing on computer. Second one, keeping fan on when there is no one in the rooms. Wastage of foods, burning of crackers, wastage of petrol by unnecessarily starting the motorbike. What are the factors to check the quality of water? To check the quality of water, certain measurable factors are follows. Total coliform counts. In human intestine, a group of bacteria called coliform are found. When these bacteria are present in water, it is assumed that water is contaminated by disease-caused microorganisms. Second one, pH of water. If water is highly acidic or basic, it is said to be polluted. Third one, heavy metals and pesticides. Amount of heavy metals like copper, zinc, lead, etc. and pesticides present in the water indicates pollution. What changes can you make in your habits to become more environment friendly? Separate waste into the recyclable and non-recyclable. Use electricity judiciously. Follow 3 hours. Reduce, recycle, reuse. Eat as much as required. Do not waste food. Use water judiciously. Reuse newspapers and use less plastic. Have more windows in the house for natural light. Now, what are the result of Chipko movement? The Chipko movement spread across the communities, which also awakened the medias. This forced the government to rethink their priorities before making use of the forest resources. Second one, local people believed in the replenishments of the plants by cutting the unwanted branches and plucking the leaves in such a way that plants may find time to replenish. The destruction of the forest could be prevented because the local people were aware of the fact that destruction of forest always causes loss of forest produces product forever degraded quality of soil and water. Next question. What changes would you suggest in your home in order to be environmental friendly? We shall follow the people of 3 R's. First one, reduce, recycle, reuse. Reduce means use natural resources in limited quantity, avoiding wastage. Second one, recycle. Recycle plastic, paper, glass, and metals for further use. Third one, reuse. Envelopes can be reversed for reuse. ಇಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಘಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.